Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Citibank online account. So the first thing that you'll need to do, of course, if you want to do it on the website, you'll have to go and type in this URL section, citi.com, and hit the enter button. First, let me just get into the phone because I'm not getting into more details about it. So of course, you'll have to download the app on your phone, whether through App Store or Play Store, depending on whatever you have, if an iPhone or Android. And of course, once you do so, you will find this interface. All you need to do, just click on register for an account. So as you can see, we have sign in user with using the user ID, touch ID, and we have register for an account. Click on continue and then follow the steps from there. If you want to use it online or through the website, as you can see, once you type citi.com, you'll find yourself on this page. All you need to do, just go and click on open an account, and here you'll have to choose the account that you want to open. Whether it's a checking account, saving account, of course, those are useless most of the time. I don't know, uh, just of course, normally you will open a checking account, I guess. So just go to checking accounts and click on open account. Here you have two options: regular checking or access checking. So example, for regular checking, you'll have unlimited check writing, and for this you'll just have checklist banking. For access checking, the monthly fees will be $15 as an example, and this one will be just 5. For this you'll have 2.5 fee on non-city ATMs, and this one will be the same. So choose the one that suits your needs. As an example, maybe just access checking. You can click on open an account, then you'll have to start filling up your information, and from here onwards you can start doing it by your own, because you'll have to fill up just your personal information, ID verification, employment and income, set up the online access, agree to everything of course they ask you to agree to, and disclosures, then transfer any funds to your checking account or to your new online Citi bank account if you want to fill it up with funds. And yeah, you should be then good to go with your Citibank account online. So that's how you make a Citibank account online. That's gonna be it, of course, for me. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.